In 2024 alone, hackers stole over $1 billion in crypto from investors who thought their funds were safe. Exchange collapses, phishing attacks, and wallet hacks. Due to the constant occurrence of these situations, crypto security is more important than ever. And if you're still keeping all your crypto in an exchange or the wrong wallet, you're making a big mistake. But don't worry, there's a way to protect your assets, and we're about to break it down. Many investors, especially beginners, assume that crypto stored on an exchange is safe. But ask anyone who lost money in FTX, Mt. Gox, or Celsius, and they'll tell you otherwise. Others try hot wallets but don't realize that one phishing link, one malware attack, or one phone hack could drain their funds instantly. And then there's the challenge of choosing the right wallet. With so many options, MetaMask, Ledger, Trust Wallet, Trezor, how do you know which one is best? Well, after extensive research, we found the best way to keep your crypto safe in 2025. Hot versus cold wallets. Differences. Hot wallets are great for everyday transactions and DeFi activities. But remember, they are always connected to the internet, which means they're more vulnerable to hacks. The top hot wallets for 2025 are MetaMask, best for Ethereum and DeFi users. Trust Wallet, great for beginners and multi-chain support. Exodus, user-friendly with desktop and mobile apps. Phantom Wallet, perfect for Solana users. XDFI Wallet, best for multi-chain traders. Pro tip, only keep what you need in a hot wallet. Just like carrying cash in your pocket. If you're holding a significant amount of crypto, a cold wallet is a must. Cold wallets are completely offline, making them virtually impossible to hack. The top cold wallets for 2025 are Ledger Nano X, the most secure, Bluetooth-enabled hardware wallet. Trezor Model T, open source touchscreen security. Elipal Titan, air-gapped for extra safety. Keystone Pro, fully offline ultimate security. Pro tip, never store your recovery phrase digitally. Use a fireproof safe or a metal backup. So, what's the best strategy? Use both. Keep a small amount in a hot wallet for daily use. Store the majority of your funds in a cold wallet for long-term safety. This way, you get the best of both worlds, accessibility and security. Now that you know how to secure your crypto in 2025, what wallet do you use? Let us know in the comments. And if you want the best crypto and finance tools, check the link in the description. Keep your crypto secure, stay safe, and see you in the next one.